Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying the exact account you want to unlink. Confirm the email or phone and any linked platforms like Steam, PSN, or Apple. Once done, backup saves and recovery codes so you don't lose progress. This prevents data loss. Next, sign in to Hoyoverse or the Hoyoverse account portal and have your two-factor method ready. Make sure to note which platform connections you'll remove so you can reverse the process if necessary. You now go into Account Settings and open Connected Accounts or Platform Bindings. Select the first linked platform you want to remove and click Unlink or Remove, then authenticate with your password and the two-factor code. This confirms it's you. Once the portal reports success, repeat for each platform in turn. Make sure to watch for confirmation emails and any cooldown notices that prevent immediate relinking. These explain why unlinking might temporarily block new bindings. You finish by verifying that each platform shows as unlinked in account settings, then log out and log back in to confirm the changes took effect. If you encounter a cooldown or an unlink option is grayed out, wait the stated period and try again, or gather your account ID, recent transaction screenshots, and authentication proof to contact support. Finally, keep backup recovery information safe and monitor the account for any unexpected.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.